freaks me out. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I'm doing this crazy green look that Ryan said looks like a frog. But it was actually surprisingly very easy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just follow along. So as always, I'm going to be beginning with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. This is literally what I do always, but for some reason I love watching other people do their eyebrows, so I always show mine. I cannot get my eyebrows even for the life of me, so I'm going to be using lots of concealer. And I'm going to be cutting my eyebrows using my Shape Tape in the shade Light, as always. Okay, that looks a bit more even. And then I'm going to prime my eyes. And I'm going to be using my Inkla eye primer in the shade 01 with my Precision... Hey! Pooh! Sorry, my dog was barking at people walking. So I'm just going to be using my Precision Angled Brush by Royal & Langnickel. Alright, and then I'm actually going to do the first eye off camera, see what exactly I want to do, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I look a little crazy, but it's fine. I don't know why I was feeling the green vibes today, but it's fine. So I actually did not set my base at all, and I'm going to start by adding a little bit of color to my crease. I'm going to be going in with Daddy, which is this dark green color, with a pencil brush, and I just pack this in right above my crease. And then I go in with a fluffy brush. This one's from Bond & Hide, the rounded crease brush. And I just go in and blend it out. The bottom part does not matter quite as much as the top part. I just want it to be nice and blended on top. I'm gonna go in with more shadow to darken that color. And blend it out again, and I keep going back and forth until I get the color that I want. And then I'm going to cut my crease, and I use Tarte Shape Tape, and I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm using another Bond & Hide brush. This is the Detail Smudger brush, but I just like how flat it is. And I go in with it, and I put a little bit there, look up, and I make my crease just slightly above that little line. And just take your time on this portion. I didn't cut it the same. Okay, so that is my crease cut. And I just try and fill in little bits with concealer if it's just not as opaque as I want it to be. And then for that yellow liner, I actually do not have yellow liner, so I use a little fine liner brush. This is by It Cosmetics, and I go into the shade, the yellow shade right here. It's called B. And I just wet my little brush and wet the shadow, and I just put it right on that edge of my crease that I cut. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in with the shade Social Blade. It's this green right here, and with another flat smudger, shader brush, or whatever, just go in with that and just pack that all over the remaining portion of the lid. And just be very careful going up to that liner because you don't want to cover it. Since it is a bright yellow shade, this green could compromise it very easily. Then I wet a cotton round. This one's already wet from before, and I just clean up under that. And I move on to my face. I don't think I'm gonna do any liner today just because it is so bright. I don't want to darken it with any black. So for my face makeup, I'm just gonna zoom through it and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using and zoom through like I did a while ago on my channel. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so that's about it for my face for now. Now I'm just gonna finish off under my eyes. What do I want to do under my eyes? Then under my eyes, I'm just gonna pull that little bit of yellow back into the look. So I'm gonna go back in with that B shade with a random eyeshadow brush that I have and just pack that under my eye. So that yellow just kind of pulls things together just a little bit, so you can see that pop of eyeliner just a little bit more. And then for mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. And then before I put on falsies, I'm just gonna spritz my face with some setting spray. This is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And for falsies, I want something pretty big, so I'm gonna go in with the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes and this is in the, it's not shade style, I guess, Insta Glam. I hate doing falsies on camera. And I just use my Duo Brush On adhesive. I don't know why this lash is laying so funny. I think this might be the last time I can use these lashes. This one's just laying super funny. I feel like it's like missing pieces. I don't know. And then for my lips, I'm just gonna go in with a gloss since this is so matte. Oh my gosh. It does not want to stay. So I'm just gonna go in with a gloss. This is the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain by Mana Kadar in the shade Sienna. I'll link this down below. Okay, and then that is the final look. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit and give you guys more of a close-up. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is a little bit out there for me, but I decided to be a little bit more creative today. I hope that you guys liked it. If you guys have any suggestions, just please comment down below. I love comments so much. If you have any suggestions of what you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions about how I do anything, let me know. If you guys just want to say hi, let me know. Because I love comments so much, and honestly they keep me going. And if you guys like me, I would love to have you guys in my little family. Subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you. And if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.